Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you all how I transformed my downstairs office from this to this. So if these are the type of videos that you like, please continue to watch and I hope you enjoy it. I did the majority of the purging and decluttering off camera, and I also put together this cube storage unit. I think that this office makeover was much needed, and one of the reasons why my uploading schedule has been kind of sporadic was because the space I was working in, it wasn't very inviting, and honestly, I dreaded editing my videos for that reason. Now the space is more inviting, and I'm sure it will inspire me to create some banging content. This gold brick wall was totally not planned. I did know that I wanted a backdrop for my artwork. Then the idea popped in my head to spray paint a sponge and create a brick pattern. And I think it turned out better than I expected. Oh, before I forget, if you are enjoying this video so far, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel and make sure that you click the notification bell so that you won't miss the next time I upload a video. The two places I shot for this project were Target and Hobby Lobby. The majority of the things you see I already had. I get into more detail towards the end of the video when I give you guys a small tour. Alright y'all, so this is the end result. I'm really happy with the way things came out. And I will do a small tour for you guys. Okay, so obviously this is my desk. I got this from IKEA when I first moved here 5 years ago. A lot of this stuff on my desk I already had. I think the only thing I went out and bought from Hobby Lobby is the stapler and the tape dispenser. So yeah, and as you can see, it's just our all-in-one right there. I'm going to give you guys a close-up of the artwork that I hung, and I like this. It says Boss Babe, and I love tortoiseshell. I have a pair of tortoiseshell glasses, so that's one of the reasons why I bought that. And this one says, find what sets your soul on fire. And as you can see, the theme in my office is pink, black, gold, and white. So it wasn't planned, and this is not really, the glam style is not really my style, but I wanted something that would go nice with my desk because I'm still enjoying my desk. Even though it's 5 years old, I'm still enjoying my desk. But let's get on to the photos. This one says coffee, mascara, and hustle. And if anybody that knows me knows I can't go without my coffee. And this says messy buns and getting stuff done. And this says, this one on this side, it says you've got this. And the last one, it says today, well, it says make good use of today. So I thought some girl boss inspiration would be appropriate to put in my office. Now on to my cube storage unit. I got this from Target. I also got the baskets from Target. So I decided to put my printer on here. I believe I got this tray here from Target's dollar section years ago. And this candle here is from Walmart. I had a lot of this stuff already. Only thing I bought new was this, the unit, and the baskets, and that lamp. So a lot of this stuff I've already had. This picture right here, it says good vibes only. This was in my bedroom. I thought it would look cute in here since it goes with the color scheme. And I also decided to go with this gold lamp. And in my bins, I have this right here. It's just like paper and ink and printer supplies. Under here I have some of my husband's study Bibles, and a little, with a succulent, I couldn't think of the name. And onto here, I bought this, I think I bought this when I originally bought the desk, so that's about 5 years ago, and it says talk nerdy to me. I didn't want to throw it away, so I decided to put it in the shelf. And then this bin right here, I have some art supplies, pencils, my label maker, the spray paint that I used, and just miscellaneous art supplies. In this bin right here, I plan to keep my camera equipment, and that's it. So now my camera equipment has a home instead of on a radiator where I usually keep it. Here are some of my books right here. I thought these are oldies but goodies. I couldn't see myself parting ways, even though some of them are dated, I should say. And over here, I just have some important files. This is some of my husband's work stuff, and I covered an old textbook right there, and I put my microphone right here. I don't know if you can see it, and that's a mirror. It's really tight down here, so hopefully I'm getting good angles for you guys. There's a mirror in there, and my microphone on. Let me get up. On this side right here, I just have my paper shredder. It's a mini paper shredder, but it's still necessary. And I have 2 additional mirrors. Now, the plan for now is to make this wall a command center, but I haven't quite decided how I'm going to do that yet. So once I do, I'll try to update you guys on how it looks and everything. Oh, and I forgot this one thing here. This is just our text information, and these are old cards and photos. I can't throw away cards or photos, so I just put the ones that I found in here. and construction paper for the kids. So yeah, I think this is it. I hope you guys like it, and I will see you guys in the next video. I want to thank you all again for watching this video, and like I mentioned before, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, please do that now so you can get to know me and what I like to do. Also, if you would like, leave a comment in the comment section and tell me what you think about my new office, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.